Hello, this is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Today we're going to have a quick unboxing of my the package that I have received today, and that one is for the agenda that I unboxed for you guys last week. So this is the PM agenda, a regular writing notebook that I'm going to have. So I just want a lined paper. So let's see what do they have for us today. And let's open this. There you go. This is just a simple one, and it says here that we do. This one is so cheap because according to this one, they do have a lot of stuff. This is only $12.34 dollars, $4.25 each. So we got one. Oh, I only got one. I thought I got 4 of these. Anyways, so much crafting. They do offer a lot of inserts. If it is for your GM size, if it is for your PM size, or for the PM sizes, they do have that one on their site. So I saw them on Etsy, and yeah. So now we're going to put this one on here, and let's see if that one will fit good. Here's our, let me clear that one first. Sorry about the mess. Oh, it comes with 2 anyway, so that's nice. So yeah, I like their packaging. So much crafting. So this is just that. So it's so simple. The first one is the note one, the notes, and then the other one is it's on the list type of thing. So yeah, and then let's see if that one will fit here, because these are so cute. This is so cute. So let's put this one on here, and it fits perfectly. Look at that. Look at this one. And then I ordered another one on Etsy. So there you go. So cute. Now I do have notes on this one, and I have it's on the list type of thing. So yeah, it's ready to go. I ordered on Etsy another one. Is a dashboard that I can put on here. It's just a simple LV logos, and I cannot wait for me to have it. So thank you very much for watching. This is Charles, California. I will see you again in the next video. Bye.